James Gis. To hand it down for the safe hammer. Beberapa. Oh, Hanzo! Wow!
Halo coach. Pagi. Pagi coach.
What's going on? Good morning.
Morning.
Yeah. Opportunity to go on the road against a team that has beaten you and believes they can beat you, and kind of get back on the right track. So I'm excited to see that. Let's have a good, safe trip, and let's go kick some ass.
Prawira on 3, 1, 2, 3. Prawira!
Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me.
Hi, man.
Bankroll, euro, peso, add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what, add it up, told her if it's all me, everything is on me, going back.
Gimana perjalanannya Nando?
Capek banget.
Capek banget.
Berapa jam? Lalu kita tadi sempat di rest area buat sholat Jumat bagi teman-teman yang Muslim. Makanya lumayan lama sampai Bogor ya. Tapi sekarang kita udah siap buat tanding buat besok.
Clear out the room, I'm coming through. They wanna see what I'm about. Yeah, I got skills, do it for the thrill. I'm on a paper route. Extra, read about it. I'm today's trying to tap it.
Hello, Prawira family. 私の名前は白畑ゆきみです。日本から来ました。私は今 B リーグでカメラマンをするために日本の進み学校に通ってカメラをやっています。その学校のフィールドアカデミーというゼミに入っていて、アジア各国を回って足を通して自分の視野を広げたり、世界を知るというプロジェクトに参加しています。インドネシアのバスケットボールを全く知らなかったので、インドネシアバスケで検索して、このプラウィラのチームを知りました。それで私はそこがとても強くて、すごく気になったので、このチームに参加することを決めました。そして連絡を取ったらすぐに友人が帰ってきて、心よく受け入れてくれました。
Enough is enough, man. Let's see if somebody can beat us another way. Let's see. Hey, coach, it didn't work. All right, cool, my bad. But I haven't seen it yet. So I'm waiting for that day to see it. I'm waiting for that day.
You and I, 비교나 하지마. 우리 너무 달라. We just different. 나 좀 봐라. 여자나 집이나 세차 나가신다. 너무 빨라. I'm a globetrotter. 지금부터 시작이야. 한턱에 money call.
Rock and roll. Everybody's bringing great energy, supporting, and when you get in, it's not, we don't have time for people that sub in the game to be like, all right, man, I needed one sub, and then my second sub, I'll be better. Ain't no time for that. Ain't nobody got time for that. If you're not ready to come in, boom, I told you, 7 to 8 guys, if that's what it is tonight, that's what it is tonight. Some of yourselves tonight. Have fun with one out there. Let's go.
Moves heavy, need a scale. Odds to success like it's Braille. Brain on Ivy, could've went to Yale. If you make it rain, I make it promise never fail. Focus in the wrong, always yells. If you put in work, you prevail. Only what I need is keep it real. Clothes all black, cars all black. Game on tap, game intact. First I scrap, then I stack. Only thing changes the location on the map. Clothes all black, cars all black. Game on tap, game intact. First I scrap, then I stack.
Team off antara James Gis dan Jerome Jordan dimenangi oleh seorang Jonathan atau Joshua Caldwell. Pengalaman dan juga kecerdikan seorang Davon Swarosrum. Yuda Saputra langsung memberikan energi positif ya. James Gis, to hand it down for the safe hammer. Brother Francis belum berhasil. Dwi Guna, Prawira taking the lead. Namun beberapa Hanso, cutting yang baik dari Vildan, and one kali.
As long as we stay aggressive, the rest can't change the game, alright? Come on, stay aggressive.
Jangan merasa nggak ada manfaatnya di lapang, kita punya foul, ambil. Turnover, salah, wajar. Next lagi aja, next.
Okay, guys, we can do whatever we want. Handle the stupid ball pressure. Okay, you guys are doing a great job with turnovers. It's a really good thing. When we sub up, we can't drop. When we sub back in, we can't drop. We gotta stay up. Stay up and stay on the gas. Hey, it's going to be about our defense, all right, and then getting these guys off the glass. Our offense will be fine. Stay confident with your offense. We're going to be fine. Second actions are good, all right, but it's going to be about our defense and rebounding tough. Okay, here we go. Our game, boys. Our game. Let's go.
Together, 1, 2, 3.
Yuda Saputra cepat sekali kepada Bandung. Wiguna. Brother Francis. 3 angka Brandon Francis. Wow! He is a baller. Seperti yang saya bilang ya. Dan Vildan kita lihat. Ada balik sekali ya. James Gis coba tembak 3 from the corner. James Gis. Wow! Memulai kuarter 4 dengan luar biasa. Artinya pick and roll menjadi terbentuk.
This is where we have to show what we're about. We can't get too high, we can't pat ourselves on the back too much, we can't lose focus on what we got going forward. Because if we want to maintain this, we got to stay focused. We got to stay focused, and the biggest thing we got to do is get back to work. Good job, good team effort, boys.
Together, 1, 2, 3.
Yeah! We had 60 points from our bench, so that shows you how much of a team effort this was. We really challenged these guys all week. We're very upset about what happened in the BCL. We're upset about what happened with these guys as well. We know how good of a basketball team we are. We just haven't been able to find it most of this year. And hopefully this game can really kickstart us moving forward, because we are a problem in this league as long as we don't get in our own way. And tonight we really played consistent basketball. So, yeah.
A great team win. You know, we followed the game plan. We came into this week super aggressive. In practice, it started in practice. It started with practice from Monday all the way to today. So, you know, just super proud of my brothers, the coaching staff, making sure that we were highly prepared and ready to go for this game. We executed the game plan to the max, and the result showed for itself.